Beautiful but deadly poisonous frogs. Golden poison dart frogs have 4 long slim legs that end in 4 toes that are not webbed. All things being similar, the toes have small circles called toe tips. The tips are bigger in males than in females. In addition, a bony teeth-like plate in the upper jaw differentiates him from other poison dart frogs. Most poisonous dart frogs are small, sometimes under 1.5 centimeters, 0.59 in grown-up length, albeit a couple grows to 6 centimeters, 2.4 in long. They weigh 1 ounce overall. The blue poison dart frog is a small frog with a striking blue color. Its back and top of the head are a lighter colored sky blue, while its abdomen and legs are a darkened blue style. Dark blue and black marks cover the frog's body, mainly its back and heads. In addition, there is a unique pattern of small and large dark spots surrounding the head and back. The pattern of these spots is unique to each frog and can be used for identification, just like human fingerprints. Poison dart frogs, members of the Dendrobatidae family, were some of the most brilliant and beautiful colors on Earth. The black-legged dart frog, Phyllobates bicolor, also known as the bicolored dart frog or Nerian chaco, is the second most toxic of the wild poison dart frogs. This species obtained its name due to its normally yellow or orange body with black or dark blue hind legs and forelimbs below the elbow. Most species of poison dart frogs are small, sometimes less than 1.5 centimeters, 0.59 in adult length, although a few grow up to 6 centimeters, 2.4 in length. They weigh 1 ounce on average. Most poison dart frogs are brightly colored, displaying aposematic patterns to warn potential predators. One of the most recognizable frogs in the world, the dying poison frog, is a species of poison frog. It's known for its vibrantly colored skin, yellow on its back and blue on its legs, and its size. It can grow up to 2 inches long, making it one of the largest species of poison frogs. Most species of poison dart frogs are small, sometimes less than 1.5 centimeters, 0.59 in adult length, although a few grow up to 6 centimeters, 2.4 in length. The phantasmal poison frog has a snout-to-vent length of about 22.6 millimeters, 0.9 in. It has a wide head and truncated snout, and the skin is smooth. The first finger is longer than the second, and all the digits are partially webbed. The dorsal surface is usually green or yellow, and there are longitudinal stripes. It lives on the Andean slopes in central Ecuador, in forests near streams between 1,000 to 1,769 m above sea level. They are very small and range in size from 1 centimeter to 4 centimeters. They eat ants, beetles, flies, mites, spiders, termites, and caterpillars. The strawberry poison dart frog is slender compared to similar species, with the frog's colorful skin also featuring bilateral symmetry. This means the patterns on their skin are symmetrical, however the color variations for this species are the most diverse in the entire poison dart frog family. Most species of poison dart frogs are small, sometimes less than 1.5 centimeters, 0.59 in adult length, although a few grow up to 6 centimeters, 2.4 in length. They weigh 1 ounce on average. Most poison dart frogs are brightly colored, displaying aposematic patterns to warn potential predators. The lovely poison frog or lovely poison arrow frog, Phyllobates lugubris, is a species of frog in the family Dendrobatidae. It is found on the Caribbean versant of Central America from southeastern Nicaragua through Costa Rica to northwestern Panama, with one record just west of the Panama Canal. Most species of poison dart frogs are small, sometimes less than 1.5 centimeters, 0.59 in adult length, although a few grow up to 6 centimeters, 2.4 in length. They weigh 1 ounce on average. Most poison dart frogs are brightly colored, displaying aposematic patterns to warn potential predators. Phyllobates oratinia is a member of the frog family Dendrobatidae, which are found in the tropical environments of Central and South America. First described by zoologist George Albert Bullinger in 1913, P. oratinia is known for being the third most poisonous frog in the world. It is the smallest of the poison dart frogs in the Phyllobates genus and is endemic to the Pacific coast of Colombia. P. oratinia is found in the wet forests of the Chaco region of Colombia, west of the Andes, in the Atrada and San Juan drainages. It lives on the ground of humid lowland and submontane forests, typically between altitudes of 60 and 520 meters, and is found in primary and secondary forest but not in degraded areas. The Gulfadultian poison frog or Gulfadultian poison arrow frog is a species of frog in the family Dendrobatidae endemic to Costa Rica. The frog's color is black, but it may appear to glitter due to chemical pigments in the skin. Its legs are mottled blue, and the sides often have a marble pattern of blue or green. One of the most distinctive features of P. vittatus are the two stripes running down its back for which it was named. Most species of poison dart frogs are small, sometimes less than 1.5 centimeters, 0.59 in adult length, although a few grow up to 6 centimeters, 2.4 in length. They weigh 1 ounce on average. Most poison dart frogs are brightly colored, displaying aposematic patterns to warn potential predators. Variable poison dart frogs are small enough to be included in the group called thumbnail frogs. While coloration varies among the morphs, their back coloration most commonly is black spots on a background that gradually changes from a metallic yellow-green snout to a blue-green vent. Most species of poison dart frogs are small, sometimes less than 1.5 centimeters, 0.59 in adult length, although a few grow up to 6 centimeters, 2.4 in length. They weigh 1 ounce on average. Most poison dart frogs are brightly colored, displaying aposematic patterns to warn potential predators. Red-backed poison dart frogs have a slender body with well-developed adhesive discs at the tips of the toes on all 4 of its limbs. This species has many color variations and patterns, however, all have a colored back that, in spite of the common name, red-backed, may be fiery orange. The red frog is the second most poisonous species of the Ranitomia genus Anuran amphibians from the venomous frog family. Its toxicity is caused by a diet that is based on ants, which contain formic acid, and mites, which contain toxins in their bodies. Poison dart frogs have toxins in their skin that can paralyze or kill potential predators. The bright green color of this frog's skin warns predators not to eat it. Frogs use their excellent sense of vision to help capture prey. Green and black poison dart frogs have sticky tongues which also help them to catch food. Green and black poison dart frogs inhabit tropical and subtropical rainforest trees and the leaf litter on the damp rainforest floor, usually in areas that are near small streams or pools. The very small amount of poison the frog possesses is enough to make a human heart stop beating. This brightly colored frog is sometimes called the bumblebee poison dart frog for its distinctive, yellow and black striped body. Toxic when eaten, this frog is native to the jungles of South America but is easily bred in captivity. Predominantly, these frogs have a bright yellow coloration with varying numbers of broad black stripes and or spots that extend over the whole body. Yellow-banded poison dart frogs are not toxic in human care. Their skin's toxins in the wild come from ants and other insects they eat in their natural habitat. Yellow-banded poison dart frog males take care of the eggs, ensuring they stay moist. The granular poison frog is a small frog with slender limbs growing to about 20 millimeters, 0.8 in. Its skin is finely granulated and its color is typically bright orange head, body and upper arms and bluish-green underparts, legs and lower arms. This species was earlier described as Dendrobates granulifer. From the granuliferous, it was moved to the genus Oophaga later on in 1994. This species is one of the most known, beautiful, and common frog species of Costa Rica. These frogs are a part of the larger species known as poison dart frogs in the family of Dendrobatidae. Poison dart frogs come in different bright colors and are found all over Central and South America. These species show aposematism and have aposematic coloration, which means that it advertises itself to the predators not to attack or harm the granular poison dart frog. The Harlequin poison frog, also known as Harlequin poison dart frog, Oophaga histrionica, is a species of poison dart frog endemic to the Chaco region of western Colombia. The frog is normally found on the ground of tropical rainforests, among fallen limbs or leaf litter. The Harlequin poison frog has an average snout vent length of 32.9 millimeters, 1.30 in. The background coloration varies from light to dark brown, and there is usually a vivid spot on the dorsum. Harlequin toads, Anura, Bufonidae, Atelopus, are small, diurnal, and poisonous amphibians native to South and Central America. Lotters et al., 2011.